All right, here we are in St. George, Utah. We got the truck tucked away here at a storage unit. We got the Jeep all loaded up. We're gonna head down to Yuma, Arizona today and then hit the trail tomorrow. All right, here we are. We're at the start of the Southern California BDR. We just left Yuma. We're just north of town. We're already out in pretty much nothing. It's great. It doesn't take long. You get out into the middle of nowhere. We got the Jeep all packed up. I'm aired down. This is the first section is a sandy section. So I aired down to 16 PSI, should be plenty, and we're gonna just start motoring our way up and we should make it to Blyth, California by tonight. And depending on how the day goes, we might, instead of camping there, we might head over to Joshua Tree and camp over there and check that out in the morning. We wanna make that part of this trip, but we don't know exactly how we're gonna do it yet. We get on the trail, we kind of wing it. In a lot of ways, we don't have a set plan for everything. We just have a general idea and go from there. So here we go. We stopped here along the Colorado River to take a quick break. We got some donkeys, let's see if I can get this, up on the hill here watching us. You can't see it in the camera, but right up here. It's kind of cool just being out in the middle of nowhere. All right, we just got done with the first sand section of the BDR, and the Jeep did great. I didn't even lock in the front hubs. I did the whole thing in two-wheel drive, even though I got a nice sign saying four-wheel drive recommended. I don't know if you could see that. But now there's a pavement section, so we aired up. We're gonna jump up this quick and probably grab some lunch somewhere on the way, and then hit the next section, and it should be, I think that's it for the day. It's just another dirt section. I'll have to look, but here we go. All right, so the trail actually went a lot quicker than we expected today, and we were able to make it all the way out to Joshua Tree. So we just stopped to let the dog out real quick. We're actually gonna now make our way through the park and stay on the other side for the night. Sound good, Max?